Hi guys, my name's Nick from Dirt King Fabrication, and I'm the builds manager. This is our 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 Rebel. Ram originally came to us to design the suspension for the TRX. Later, a customer brought us a brand new 2017 Ram 1500, and we implemented a lot of the same design ideas into this truck, working with ADV Fiberglass to design the front fenders and rear bedsides and the hood to replicate the look on the Rebel TRX. This truck features our bolt-on long travel kit. It's 3 inches over per side. It has 13.5 inches of travel in the front. Shocks in the front are 2.5 by 8 IBPs. They feature gold anodizing, fend reservoirs, and compression adjusters. This also uses our 4340 3-inch extended CV axles that are used with our long travel kit. The truck also has our sway bar option. It's heimed in links that are used to integrate the factory sway bar into our long travel kit. In the rear, we have our short course link. It uses a 2.5-inch king coilover, same gold anodizing, IBPs with the compression adjusters and fend reservoirs. It has our fabricated bed cage as well as our long travel rear link kit with fabricated panhard bar and link. It's 15 inches of travel with a frame notch, and it uses a 2.0 by 2.0 king bump stop. It's got a Whipple supercharger on it, 550 horsepower, and a MagnaFlow exhaust. Wheels are 17 by 9 with a 4.5-inch back spacing Ultra X 103s with a custom gold anodized finish with 37 1250/17 Toyo Open Country MTs. It also has our bolt-on Prerunner front bumper and our rear plate bumper with hitch receiver. Fiberglass fenders in the front are advanced 4-inch, and the rear bedsides are 5.5-inch. The hood is also ADV. That's a wrap on our 2017 Dirt King Fabrication Ram. Thanks for checking out the truck. You can find more info at dirtkingfabrication.com.